Hi, I'm Anton. It's day 37 of the Daily Crypto Installment Program. It's February 16th, 2025. I'm making another installment today. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, and XRP 10,000. It's okay, I'm not bored with crypto installments, even though 50,000 could actually buy what? Oh yeah, you can buy 5 liters of original petrol, not the adulterated kind, because the adulterated kind is more expensive. Or you can even pay for half a day's parking in Jakarta. Today's topic, and GT, what is a smart contract? A smart contract is an automated digital contract that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. No notary required, no intermediaries. Here's a simple example. Imagine you buy a house using an app. As soon as the money is transferred, the certificate is automatically transferred to you. No signatures, no waiting. That's a smart contract. And it's not fiction. There are already apps for borrowing money, selling NFTs, and even playing games that use smart contracts. I personally haven't used smart contracts directly, but I'm buying Ethereum in installments because I believe its technology will be the foundation of the future of digital finance. Cool, right? Those who agree, don't nod because I can't see it, just like this video. Those who disagree, please shake your head. So, for those of you who are still young, please share this video with older people like me, so they understand that crypto isn't just speculation, but rather a sophisticated system behind it. See you tomorrow in the next video.